Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a pen launcher, and it's very simple. First, get a stapler with no pins. Okay? It should be like this empty stapler. It should be like with no these things. Okay? Take a tiny pencil, load it, hold it here, and leave it when it's there. And you should load it like this, and it went under that. So, and if I put this, it will launch. So try like this also with the marker. Wait. But this does not work, guys. So I'm gonna bring the thing back. So I'm going to tell you what you can use. So you can use this. Try this. This crayon would work. Now this crayon would work. And shoot. Wait. Actually, you need to use a small crayon. This does not work. So you should hold it like this. As you can see, it's loaded. You have to press the trigger and then kaboom! It shoots. Bye.